Lines in paint 3. Yes, and I want to do lines in paint 3. That's really what I just done to like 14 minutes ago. And I wanted to do a 3, so yeah, I think if I want to do a 3. Because I have so many videos on paint, reviewing paint and like notepads and hoppers and things like that. I thought if I can kick it off and step it up and make one more. And lines in paint 3. Because I didn't make one episode of each thing. I used to make like lots of episodes, like Hopper 7. Well, that's not the same level, basically, but Hopper 7 doesn't really count as scene, but it's still Hopper, you know, it's like the platforming games and the game, and yeah, so when I said that on my last Hopper video, it was not just a joke. I still got Hopper 7 left. I was only joking, guys, alright? I still got Hopper 7 left. Well, we can do after, and after that, it doesn't mean that after Hopper 7 is finished, it will never finish, don't worry. The fun can continue more. I can teach you some tips and tricks, and yeah, that's what if I can do more. So this is spirals. These are the little spirals, the arrows here, and then this is 2. This one is 2, and this is 3. I thought that I need to show these ones because they look very similar. You've got your tools, got your yellow tools, and you got anything what you want, basically. It doesn't really matter. Resize. I don't really know what all this is. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.